Hello my dear students, welcome back to the lecture of ICSE 9th Maths Simultaneous Linear Equation, that is chapter number 5. In the previous videos we have already done the three methods, that is substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method to get the values of x and y. In today's video we are going to start with the problem sums. So I will be doing different types of problem sums here, taking one by one, and stay tuned to see all the types of problem sums. This is 𝐕𝗵𝗲𝗰 and you are watching 𝐕𝗵𝗲 classes. Let's get started. So the first type of problem sum is based on the numbers. Question is given, the sum of two numbers is 69 and their difference is 17. We have to find out the numbers. So here we need to form the equations and then we have to solve the equations also. So first you need to write let the numbers be, you can take any variable, numbers be, I am taking here x and y. Now the first criteria, they are saying the sum of two numbers is 69. That means the sum x plus y, this is equal to 69. This is your first equation. And the second one, they are saying the difference is 17. So here x minus y is equal to 17. You took the number in such a way that x is greater than y, and that's the reason in the difference we are taking x first. X minus y is equal to 17. This is my equation number 2. So now very clearly if I add the two equations, y will get cancelled. So I'll use the elimination method and I'll add the two equations, plus y and minus y will get cancelled. So this is 2x is equal to 86, or x is equal to 86 upon 2, that is 43. So the value of x I got, that is 43. Now I'll put this value, putting x is equal to 43 and putting it in equation number 1. So 43 plus y is equal to 69. Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 69. I put 43 there. So y will be equal to 69 minus 43, that is 26. So the two numbers are 43 and 26. The second sum is the sum of two numbers exceeds thrice the smaller number by 2. And if the difference between them is 19, find the numbers. Again here we will consider let the numbers be x and y. This is very important to write so that x is greater than y. I am considering that x is greater than y. Now they are saying sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers means x plus y. Exceeds means it is more. More than what? More than thrice the smaller number. I considered y as the smaller number. So thrice the smaller number is 3y. So they are saying sum of the numbers exceeds. Exceeds what? This is more. So this minus thrice the smaller number, and this number, the sum of the two digits or numbers exceed thrice the smaller number by 2. So we'll write 2 over here. This is my first equation. Let us solve it. X plus y minus 3y is 2, or we get x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is my first equation. Now the second criteria, if the difference between them is 19. So difference between them is x minus y is equal to 19. This is my second criteria. Now I can see x and x, the coefficients are same. So I'll just subtract. I'll do 2 minus 1. So I'll write first 2, x minus y is equal to 19 and x minus 2y is equal to 2. Since I am doing subtraction, the sign I'll change, minus, plus and minus. This gets cancelled. Y plus 2y will give me y, 19 minus 2 will give me 17. So we got the value of y, that is 17. Now I'll put the value of y. So put in y is equal to 17 in equation. I can see equation number 2 is small, so I'll put it here. So x minus 17 is equal to 19. In the second step, I'll get 17 that side. So 19 plus 17, that is 36. So the value of x is 36. So we got value of x is 36 and value of y is 17. These are the two numbers. So in the next question, the sum of two numbers is 51. If the larger is doubled and the smaller is tripled, the difference is 12. Find the numbers. So we'll again consider, let the numbers be x and y in such a way that x is greater than y. The sum of the number is 51. So your first equation becomes x plus y is equal to 51. If the larger is doubled, that means if the larger number is x, so that is doubled. And if the smaller is tripled, so smaller number is y, that is tripled. The difference, that means the difference between these two is 12. So this is your second equation. This is your first equation, this is your second equation. So I'll multiply the first equation by 3 so that this will become 3y and then we can add the two equations to cancel y. So we can write down multiplying equation 1 by 3. Okay. So this becomes 3x plus 3y is equal to 153. This is my equation 3. After that I can say this is also 3y, this is also minus 3y. So I'll add the two equations, adding equation 3 to 2. So first I'll write equation 3, 3x plus 3y, 153, and this is, the equation 2 is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So when you add the two equations, 3y and 3y gets cancelled. This is 3x plus 2x will give you 5x is equal to 165, and therefore x is equal to 165 upon 5, that is 33. So the value of x we got as 33. Now we will put this value in either of these three equations and see the first equation is smaller. So putting x is equal to 33 in equation 1, this 33 plus y is equal to 51, or y is equal to 51 minus 33. This is 51. Okay. So calculate this. Y is equal to 80. So we got the two numbers, x is equal to 33 and y is equal to 80. Okay, so the fourth sum says find two numbers such that the sum of twice the first and thrice the second is 103 and 4 times the first exceeds 7 times the second by 11. So again we'll consider let the numbers be x and y, and I'm considering x is greater than y. They are saying the sum of twice the first means 2x and thrice the second means 3y. The sum means 2x plus 3y, and that is equal to 103. So this is my first equation. Second equation is 4 times the first. 4 times the first is 4x. Exceeds means this is more than what? 7 times the second. So 7 times the second. Now 4x is more than this. So 4x minus 7 should be equal to how many more? 11 more. So this is the second equation. So we can see this is 2x, this is 4x, this is 3y, this is 7y. So what I can do is I can multiply the first equation by 2 so that this will become 4x and 4x we can cancel it. Okay. So multiplying the first equation 1 by 2. So this becomes 4x plus 6y is equal to 206. This is my equation number 3. Now since the signs are same, we have to subtract. So what I'll do is 3 minus 2 I'll do. So I'll write 3 first. 4x plus 6y is equal to 206. Sorry, 206 it is. And 4x minus 7y is equal to 11. So we'll subtract minus, plus and minus. This gets cancelled. 6y plus 7y will give you 13y, and that is 217. So y is equal to 217 upon 13. No, it is 270, 107. This is minus. Oh, I'm really sorry. This is minus. This is minus. Okay. So this is 5, 9, and 1. 195. So y will be is equal to 195 upon 13. So that is 13. 1 is 13. So 5, 15. So y is coming 15. So the value of y we got 15. Now we'll put this value, I think, in equation number 1. Okay. So putting y is equal to 15 in equation 1. So that's 2x plus 3 into 15 is equal to 103. So that's 2x plus 45 is 103. 2x is equal to, I'll get 45 the other side, minus 45. So I'm getting 2x is equal to 58. Therefore x is equal to 19. So we got the value of x 19 and the value of y is 15. We'll proceed to question number 5 now. Question number 5 says, of the two numbers, 4 times the smaller one is less than 3 times the larger one by 6. Also, the sum of the numbers is larger than 6 times their difference by 5. Find the numbers. Again, we'll consider, let the numbers be x and y. Numbers be x and y, where x is greater than y. Now they are saying 4 times the smaller one, that is 4y is less than 3 times the larger one. So 3 times the larger one is this. This is less. This is more. So more minus less is equal to how much more? 6 more. So 4 times the smaller one is less than 3 times the larger one by 6. This is your first equation. Now second one they are saying, also the sum of the numbers is larger than, sum of the number is x plus y. This is larger than 6 times their difference. 6 times their difference is 6 whole into x minus y. So sum of the number is x plus y. This is larger than 6 times their difference, and that is larger by how much? Y. So this is my second equation. We'll solve it. X plus y minus 6x plus 6y is equal to 5, or x minus 6x is minus 5x. Minus 5x plus 7y is equal to 5. This is my second equation. So I'll do what? I'll multiply this by 5 and this by 3. So I'll multiply this whole equation by 5. You have to write. I'm not writing anymore. You need to write that multiplying the equation number 1 by 5 and 2 by 3 like that. Okay. So this is your 15x minus 20y is equal to 30. And this is minus 15x plus 21y is equal to 15. Now we will add the two equations. As we can see, the signs here are different. So 15x and 15x will get cancelled. After adding, you get only y. Y is equal to 545. We get y is equal to 45. Now we'll put the value of y in equation number 1. So putting y is equal to 45 in equation 1. Your equation 1 is 3x minus 4 into 45 is equal to 6. So 3x minus 180 is equal to 6. 3x is equal to 6 plus 180, that is 3x is equal to, this is 180, sorry. 180 plus 6 is 186. Therefore x is equal to 186 upon 3, that is 62. So the two numbers are 62 and 45. Question number 6 is, if 2 is added to each of the two numbers, then the ratio becomes 1:2. And however, if 4 is subtracted from each of the given numbers, the ratio becomes 5:11. Find the numbers. So again, let the numbers be x and y. They are saying if 2 is added to each of the numbers, that means if you add 2 with x and 2 with y also, the ratio becomes 1:2. That means the ratio of these two, that becomes 1:2. This is your first equation. Cross multiply 2x plus 4 is equal to y plus 2, or we get 2x minus y is equal to 2 minus 4. That's 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is your first equation. However, if 4 is subtracted from each of the number, that means x minus 4 and y minus 4, the ratio becomes 5:11. So the ratio becomes 5:11. Cross multiply 11x minus 4 equal to 5y minus 4. So 11x minus 44, 5y minus 20, or 11x minus 5y minus 20 plus 44, that is 11x minus 5y is equal to 40 minus 20, that is 24. So we get 24. This is my equation number 2. So my equation number 1 is 2x minus y. So, and I can see this is minus y and this is minus 5y. So I'll multiply this whole equation by 5. This will become 10x minus 5y is equal to minus 10. That's my equation 3. So now the coefficients of y is same and the signs are also same. So we will subtract now. Okay, so I'll erase this part. So now I'll write, I'll subtract it. So I'll subtract 2 minus 3. So first I'll write the equation 2. 11x minus 5y is equal to 24. And your 3 is 10x minus 5y is equal to minus 10. Since I'm subtracting, the signs will get changed. Sorry. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is plus. This gets cancelled. 11 minus 10 is x. X is equal to 24 plus 10, that is 34. So we got the value of x, that is 34. Now we've got 3 equations, 1, 2 and 3. The smaller equation is 1 only. So I'll put the value of x in equation number 1. So I'll just erase this part. So write down, putting x is equal to 34 in equation 1. 2 into 34 minus y is equal to minus 2. 2 into 34 is 68 minus y is equal to minus 2. So minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 68. 68 goes that side. So it's minus 68. So minus y is minus 70. Minus and minus cancel, y is equal to 70. So we got the values of x and y. X is 34 and y is equal to 70. This, the difference between two numbers is 12. So now I'm not writing let the numbers be x and y. I'm just writing the equation. X minus y is equal to 12. I just consider that x is greater than y. Okay. So difference between two numbers is 12 and the difference between their squares. Difference between their squares, that is x square minus y square is equal to 456. This is the second equation. Okay, this is your second equation. Now see, we can put an identity over here. This is a square minus b square, which is your a plus b into a minus b is equal to 456. Now what I'll do is, I'll put 12 in place of x minus y. So this is x plus y into 12 is equal to 456. From where I got it? I got it from equation 1. Now I'll get 12 on the other side. So x plus y is 456 upon 12. This will get cancelled. 8. So this is x plus y is equal to 38. This is my second equation. X minus y is 12 and x plus y is 38. Now just add the two equations. Adding equation 1, 2, 2. x minus y is 12 and x plus y is 38. So minus y and plus y will get cancelled. So here 2x is equal to 38 plus 12, that is 50. So x is equal to 25. One of the answer we got. Now we can put it in equation number 1 or equation number 2, anything. So putting x is equal to 25 in equation, this is equation 2. Oh, that was 2. So this is 3, sorry. This is equation 3. So 25 plus y is equal to 38, or y is equal to 38 minus 25. That is 13. X is equal to, y is equal to 13. X we got previously only, y is equal to 13. So we got the value of x and y. So I have completed 7 questions today based on the problems on numbers, and 3 questions are given to you for homework. You can just copy down the questions and try it out on your own. The answers are also written over here. You should be able to do all the sums because I have covered all the types and then I have given you the homework. So here we have completed the type 1 of problem sums of simultaneous linear equation. In our next video, we are going to start with type 2, that is 2-digit number sums. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, and if you find these videos are important for you and they are helpful for you, then subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.